He's hit. All right, everybody out. Oh, you're still one-on-one. One-on-one. He's hit. All right, everybody out. Fresh 3-on-3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Dead guys coming out. Go out of the side. He's hit. Friendly. You got 20 seconds. Don't blind fire, man. You. Ten seconds. 10 seconds. There's no capping. You got to go for it. Press 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Everybody out. Dead man coming. Dead man. 20 seconds. No camping, just go for it. Is it? 10 seconds. Hurry up, hurry up. You gotta go for it, don't wait. He's hit. One more or what? They're all dead. They're all dead. Everybody out. 3-on-3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch for dead guys coming out. You're out. He's out too. All right, wait. Don't hit the wall. Hurry up, get out of the way. You got 10 seconds. Hurry up, get out of the way, hurry up. You're out. All right, he's out. He's out. 1-on-1. Oh, you're out too? All right, it's fresh 3. You're out too. Go. 3-on-3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 10 seconds. Watch out. Woo. That one got you. They're all dead. That was an aerial. Good aerial. All right, fresh 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You're out. Yeah. Right over here somewhere. Watch out. Hurry up and get it.
I'm hit. Coming to a hit. Coming to a hit.
You're out.
Guys, what's up?
No, you're out. You're out.
How am I out?
He hit you.
I bang them first.
Yeah, but bang bang you can't do here, man.
Really?
Yeah, there's just too much shit. Just, yeah. There's no surrender. Just fucking take it. That's the reason why there's. I know, but it messes up shit when you bang bang. Yeah. Fresh 3 on 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 3. There is no surrenders in this level. You already know they're there. There's no need to surrender them. Yeah, 3 on 3. Go for it. $20 seconds. Here, hit 2. And she's hit 2. 3. All right, that's it. That's game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Dead man coming.
On the head.
Go, go, go. Go, Austin. Go.
Hurry up, get out of the way, get out of the way. He's out too. Let him out. He's out too. Hurry up, get out of the way, get out of the way. 2 on 1, go. You got 10 seconds. All right, fresh 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. He's hit, let him out, hurry up, get out of the way. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. You're hit too. If you're hit, you're hit. That's it. If you're hit, you're hit. Is that it? I think that is it. All right, fresh 3. 3 on 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Coming out, dead man coming out. Dead man. Dead man, dead man, dead man. Dead man coming out.
You guys are done? Let him out, hurry up. $20 seconds. All right, fresh 3, that's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go. Watch out, dead man. Is that it over here on this side? If you guys want to jump on that side, I think nobody's over there. He's hit. Headshot. 10 seconds. Nice. I didn't think you knew that he was there. All right, hurry up, hurry up.
Woo!
Fresh 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Yeah, last one. Everybody that wants to go in, go in.
Hey, Francisco, get in here.
Everybody that wants to go in. Just murder fest. One hit and you're out. One hit and you're out. And that's it.
You got a spin right here.
Yeah.
Oh, hit.
Go in and get some. You got one in, you're out. One guy and you're out. One hit and you're out. Everybody in.
Coming out.
Everybody in. Just go in one you're out. Hurry up, guys. You got 20 seconds for the whole game. 20 seconds. Just go kill somebody.
No? Yeah, maybe. Damn it! Fuck it!
Oh, there we go with the cock. Son of a bitch. I got him with a cock.
All right, that's the game, guys.